being outdoors just always does something to me. It just gives me that feeling of home. And when I am completely immersed in nature, the energy and the vibration and the connection that I feel is immeasurable. It's almost feeling like God itself, because it is God, right? We are God, right? So I'm just sitting here literally in the back of my daughter's gymnastics class, and I found these benches because I'm always wandering. And but on the other side, it's a bunch of trees and stuff. And just being back here, taking a breath, finding this is like gold to me. Let me know if you relate.